Perfectly located just minutes to Spokane, Cheney, and the airport. This beautiful farmhouse offers 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and a detached 2-car garage, quietly tucked away on 10 acres with paved road access. Welcome to 9515 West Melville Road. With this huge kitchen, oversized family room, and even bigger back patio, it is truly an entertainer's dream. Come on, let's go take a look. Hi, I'm Lizzy Sartin with John L. Scott. This home was thoroughly and thoughtfully renovated in 2022. New roof, new heat pump, all new floors, new trim, you name it, they took care of it. Hurry up and schedule your showing today because I don't think this one will last long and I can't wait to show you around.